everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, everyone. So, ngayon naglalaro ulit tayo ng Roblox. Welcome back to part 2. Tapos sabi ko sa inyo, ang goal ko dito ay makakuha ng pets. So, let's play now. Okay, so natatandaan nyo yung aking last video ay about 10 minutes. Sorry naman kung boring yung isa ang video. So, don't forget to like and subscribe para hindi kayo makamiss ng video. Okay. Okay, nakakuha na tayo dito. So, napanood nyo yata yung... What the? What was that? Meron bang sa labas? Huh? Okay.